Wemeli ka Nongstan uba Gabriel Walang ula ai kublei ka Sorkar jela kabala pinstet ban ai ka bai Lutksan Shillong ying kabala du adu arngut chipara na kadau ka Lyngshop ka Mariang. Shwa kani Wemeli ula bu jingkeliru e ka Sorkar ye kilat jingerap bapher kibede ba ka Lyngshop ka Mariang kamtam habadan ka jingtua.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir, and thanks to the Honourable Minister for giving the explanatory notes on my questions. But there are a few more supplementary questions that I would like to ask. But before that, I would like to thank Honourable Chief Minister and the Deputy Commissioner of West Castle, Sri Garot, for giving the expressure within a week for the two siblings were buried alive in a landslide which hits on June 17 this year. Thank you, sir. Nongstoin is one of the areas which has been hit by a flood every year. So I would like to know from the mind of the Minister, to you, Mr. Speaker, sir, is there any separate additional fund apart from what you have shown for those prone flood areas?
Sir, actually, from our side, the department, we function based on the fund which allocation for our states from the Government of India under the 15th Finance, or we have a year basis, which is for the 5 years from 2021 to 2026. We have amount of fund which was allocation for us. For 2021-22, sir, we have 58.40 crores. 2022-23, 60.8 crores. 2023-24, we have 64.8 crores. 2024-25, 67.2 crores. 2026-25-26, 71.2 crores. These are the amount allocation for us so that to meet the needs of these natural calamities when it occurred in our states based on the 1910 pattern.
Sir, my question is that is there any separate additional fund provided for those prone flooded area? Is there any additional fund for those prone flooded area?
Actually, sir, whenever there is we declare this flood as the disaster, national disaster. So the government of India, as per the norms, we used to provide fund, and then based on the procedure need to be followed by the departments from our state, we have to show the details. Based on the reports, they provide the funds.
Still, my answer is not been clear, sir. But anyway, may I ask another question to you, Mr. Professor? See, as per the guideline of SDRF, it happened in Australia that the landslide happened and two siblings were dead, were buried alive. But I have seen, as per the SDRF guideline, there is no provisions for retaining wall. So may I ask the intentions of the government whether this provision of retaining wall so that the people will get the compensations. Retaining wall, sometimes the house is called up due to retaining walls. Damage of the house is due to retaining wall. But there is no provisions for giving a compensation for retaining wall. So may I ask the Minister, is there any thoughts of the governments that the provisions of retaining for compensation which due to flood or due to natural calamities?